Introduce highlight features of FocuWay Dashcam front and rear dual 1080p 2 channels with IR night vision car camera SD card included. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. 2 channels, dash cams, front and cabin record simultaneously to witness your whole journey. Front and interior dual cameras are both 1080p. Full HD 1920x 1080p at 30 fps video enable to capture 6 lanes and license plates details. 1080p IR night vision inside camera can capture the face inside the car clearly even no light. The T1 dashcam equipped with f1.8 aperture and Sony sensor, ensuring clear image at night. The inside camera has infrared LED, so even with no light, it will show the image in black and white mode. WDR helps the dashcam perform better at night. Triggered by a built-in G sensor, the dashcam can lock the video automatically when there is an emergency situation, like collision or crash. And also you can manually lock the video when you need it as an evidence. The dashcam will simultaneously record. The newest video will replace the oldest one, locked video will not be replaced. The dashcam automatically powers on, 2 cameras will turn on together, and starts recording as soon as impact is detected, thus providing you a video evidence if your car is scratched by someone in parking. Not like other dashcam, 2 channels never let off any corner. Hence ensuring your peace of mind with complete 24/7 monitoring of your car. We recommend to use the hardwire kit installing your dashcam. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.